Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I post remote job ideas every week, especially ones that are low stress and flexible. Today we are focusing on 7 more quiet remote jobs you can do at night. These are roles that usually do not involve phone calls, meetings, or real time communication. A lot of people ask about remote work that can be done later in the day, after normal business hours, or during quieter nighttime blocks. So, this video is focused on job awareness only and is meant to give you ideas of roles and companies you can research further. Availability and requirements can change, so it is always best to review company information directly. Here are 7 night friendly remote jobs that are typically quiet and independent. Alright, first up is microtask and data labeling work. One well known platform people research for this type of work is Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is a crowdsourcing platform where businesses and researchers post small tasks that require human input. These tasks are often called microtasks and are usually short and structured. The work may include labeling images, categorizing information, identifying objects, or reviewing short pieces of text. Everything is completed independently. There are no phone calls, no meetings, and no live communication with other people. Because tasks are posted throughout the day and night, this type of work can sometimes be reviewed during evening or nighttime hours, depending on availability. This role is often mentioned by people who prefer quiet, task based work that can be done in short sessions. Next on the list is search engine evaluation and content rating. This type of role focuses on reviewing search results and determining how relevant or helpful they are based on written guidelines. People often find these roles listed on remote job boards like We Work Remotely and Remote.co under research, data, or quality related categories. The work usually involves reading instructions, reviewing content, and selecting ratings based on set criteria. Everything is done in writing and tasks are completed individually because the work is guideline based and does not rely on collaboration. It is often suited for quieter hours when distractions are low. All right, moving on to number 3, content moderation and content review. Content review roles involve checking digital content to make sure it follows platform rules or quality standards. This may include reviewing text, images, or short media samples, and applying written policies. Platforms like Fiverr list freelance services related to content review, moderation, and quality checking. In many cases, instructions are provided in writing, and work is submitted through a system without live interaction. Because content review tasks are often done independently and asynchronously, many people prefer doing this type of work during nighttime hours when it is quieter. Next is transcription and transcription quality review. A company example people often look into is SpeakWrite. This type of role typically involves listening to audio files and reviewing or correcting written transcripts for accuracy and formatting. The work is detail oriented and requires focus, but it is very quiet. There are no meetings involved, and communication is usually limited to written instructions and system submissions. Because transcription work requires concentration and minimal interruptions, many people choose to do it at night or during off peak hours. All right, job number 5 is remote data entry. Remote data entry roles can be found on job boards like We Work Remotely, Nodesk, and Remote.co. These positions usually involve entering information into spreadsheets, updating databases, or verifying data against source documents. The work is structured, repetitive, and system based. Most data entry roles do not require phone calls or real time communication and are completed independently. This makes them a good fit for people who prefer quiet work and predictable tasks during nighttime hours. Moving on to number 6, online research assistant roles. Online research assistants help gather information, organize findings, and summarize data for internal use. These roles may appear on remote job boards or on company career pages under research, operations, or support categories. Typical tasks include searching the internet, collecting sources, organizing notes, and compiling summaries. The work is usually self paced and completed individually. Because research tasks rely on written output and independent work, they are often well suited for quiet nighttime schedules. And last but not least, online microtasks and data categorization. A platform people often research for this type of work is ClickWorker. ClickWorker offers task based work such as data categorization, text creation, research tasks, and content review. The work is completed independently through an online platform and does not involve phone calls or meetings. Because tasks are available at different times and completed individually, many people prefer reviewing this type of work during nighttime hours when things are quieter. Before we wrap up, I want to share a quick note. If you are preparing to explore roles like the ones mentioned in this video, there is a free resume template below this video that is designed specifically for remote-friendly jobs. It is optional, but it can help keep things organized and simple if you are updating or reviewing your resume. I also want to mention my remote job tracker and starter kit. This includes a remote job tracker that works with Excel and Google Sheets, a checklist of common remote job mistakes to avoid, ready to use email templates, a curated list of trusted remote job boards, and a professional resume template. It is simply a tool I created to help people stay organized and reduce overwhelm during their search. If you want to explore any of the roles mentioned today, I recommend visiting the company websites or official job boards directly and reviewing current listings since availability and requirements can change. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. I share new quiet and flexible remote job ideas regularly that are designed to fit real life. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.